Hi, I'm May from Langmaster learning system. In this lesson, we will explore over 70 essential words about vehicles and transport, perfect for daily communication and travel situations. Let's get started. Part 1. Land vehicles. First, let's learn about common land vehicles we see and use every day. Car. Car. Bus. Bus. Bicycle. Bicycle. Motorbike. Motorbike. Taxi. Taxi. Train. Train. Van. Van. Truck. Truck. Subway. Subway. Tram. Tram. Kick scooter. Kick scooter. Skates. Skates. Hoverboard. Hoverboard. Part 2. Air vehicles. Now, let's learn about different air vehicles, the ones we can see flying in the sky. Airplane. Airplane. Helicopter. Helicopter. Private jet. Private jet. Hot air balloon. Hot air balloon. Glider. Glider. Drone. Drone. Parachute. Parachute. Rocket. Rocket. Part 3. Water vehicles. Now let's learn about water vehicles, the ones we use on river, lakes, and the sea. Boat. Boat. Ship. Ship. Ferry. Ferry. Canoe. Canoe. Yacht. Yacht. Jet ski. Jet ski. Submarine. Submarine. Kayak. kayak, hovercraft, hovercraft. Part 4. Construction vehicles. Let's learn about construction vehicles, the heavy machine used on building sites and roadwork. Cement truck, cement truck. Bulldozer, bulldozer. Excavator, excavator. Crane, crane. Forklift, forklift. Road roller, road roller. Mixer truck, mixer truck. Part 5. Off-road vehicles. Now let's explore some interesting off-road vehicles. Snowboard, snowboard. Sled, sled. Sandbaggy, sandbaggy. Cable car, cable car. Ski lift, ski lift. Roller coaster, roller coaster. Rickshaw, rickshaw. Hot air balloon, hot air balloon. Part 6. Things on the road. Let's learn about common things we see on the road. Traffic light, traffic light. Road sign, road sign. Speed bump, speed bump. Crosswalk, crosswalk. Sidewalk, sidewalk. Bridge, bridge. Tunnel, tunnel. Traffic cone, traffic cone. Zebra crossing, zebra crossing. Tool booth, tool booth. Roundabout, roundabout. Intersection, intersection. Part 7. Travel essentials. Finally, let's learn about the essential items we need when traveling. Helmet, helmet. Sunglasses, sunglasses, seatbelt, seatbelt, passport, passport, boarding pass, boarding pass, map, map, ticket, ticket, travel pillow, travel pillow, cash, cash, credit card, credit card, carry-on bag, carry-on bag. That's all for today, guys. I hope this lesson helps you speak more confidently about transport and driving in English. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more practical English. I'm May from Langmaster Learning System. Bye bye!